Hello everyone, welcome back to the art tutorial channel of artist Azaru. Today's artwork is easy to follow and perfect for all artists here. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your drawing materials and let's start creating.
Step 1. Draw the grid lines. Before we begin this video, let's carefully draw the grid lines using the exact measurements as shown in the video. Keep each line slight and evenly spaced, as this will make it much easier to sketch the artwork accurately. Once your grid is completed, you are ready to begin today's amazing artwork.
Step 2. Erase the grid lines and darken the drawing. Once the basic drawing is completed, gently erase the grid lines, then darken your drawing to make the outline clearer and proper, followed by this video. Step 3. Add details and finalize the drawing. Now it's time to refine the outline and add all important details and complete the final touches to finish your drawing of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications bell for more step-by-step drawing videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video on Artist Azaru.